What's going on, guys, and welcome to bullgearrc videos. So finally I have found a little spot to run, and it's not raining out, so we're gonna run this bit of parking lot right here with the Castle Rat. We're gonna get into the GPS right now, get this thing turned on. Let's see, we're gonna do track. We're at 0. Oh, and it says my GPS is too poor. There's my time from last time. All right, we finally got a 0 reading on this thing. We're gonna set this thing up here. Let's get a little run with it and see what she's gonna do. See if I can film this and run it at the same time. Let's go down to the other end. See if we can get a full throttle hit with it. Ooh, that wasn't full throttle. Let's see what kind of speed we got with it. That was 27 miles an hour right there, guys. And that was just my first try. 27 miles an hour. So let's we'll restart it. And let's see if we can get 30. Oh, we crashed it. Let's bring it back to us. Yeah, let's see what we get this time. Ooh, we knocked the body loose that time. We're gonna stop, read it. Right there it is, 30 miles an hour. 30 miles an hour. Let's do it again, see if we can get better than 30. It's getting awful windy out here. All right. Body's starting to come loose. She took some pretty hard hits there. All right, here she comes. Oh, we bounced it off the wall. Yeah. Let's see what we got this time. And we got 30 miles an hour that time too. So 30 might be as fast as she wants to go. I don't know. I want to see if I can beat 30. So yeah, let's give her another hit here, guys. There it is. All right, we hit start. We'll leave that right there. Let's bring this guy back around. Oh, we knocked the body off again. Let's grab the phone, see what we get this time. Stop, read, and again 30 miles an hour. I'm not getting this guy wide open, and it looks like my screws have came out that's holding the body on. And it looks like my servo mount got knocked loose. So yeah, we're gonna call it 30 miles an hour today, guys, and we will yeah, let me show you one more time. There it is, 30 miles an hour. Yeah, max speed 30. So we got it to 30. We'll see if we can beat 30 next time around. Till then, old Uncle Lee, bullgearrc videos, saying I'll see ya.